The Jaiñtia National Council and the Jaiñtia Students Union, joined by residents of Elaka Nongkhlieh on Tuesday, staged a protest march to the Jaiñtia Hills Autonomous District Council, pressing for immediate intervention over alleged violations of district council laws and the protection of indigenous land rights in East Jaiñtia Hills. The protester demanded the immediate removal of the Doloi of Elaka Nongkhlieh, alleging that he had violated provisions of the District Council Act in connection with the proposed mining project at Lumserman. The organizations contended that the mining-related processes were undertaken in blatant disregard of the statutory and administrative procedures governing such activities. On reaching the Jhadc office, the delegation found that the chief executive member was absent. The organizations alleged that the CEM had left the office before their arrival, despite being informed beforehand of the scheduled protest and submission of their demands. The JNC and JSU further sought urgent intervention to safeguard the customary and ancestral lands of the people of Elaka Nongkhlieh, alleging that agents of Sri Cement in connivance with Doloi had encroached upon community-owned land. Reaffirming their resolve, the organization stated that they would continue to oppose any attempt to undermine indigenous and land ownership and customary rights. They also maintained that governance must remain within the ambit of the law and asserted that no authority should be allowed to act arbitrarily at the expense of local communities.
Jadi the slogan open power sepatu hari negasi.